Okay, so the first thing that I would do is I would bring down the 1 here. I would go ahead and multiply by -4. Go ahead and add these together. So that equals -7. -7 times -4 is 28. Get -6 and get 24. Get positive 42, and then I get -168 and get 0. So just as a reminder that if there is a number at the very end, that is your remainder. So just as a reminder that if you have a number at the very end, that's going to be a remainder, and that is not a root. In the case that I give you the roots and you get to the end and your remainder is not 0, that means you've done something wrong. So if this number at the end is not 0 for these last 2 questions, that means you've probably done something wrong. Okay. The second number that we can divide is 7 because it's a given root just by the problem. So we're going to go ahead and divide a second time. It'd be 1, 7, 0, 0, -6, -42, and 0. Okay, so what I did is that, again, I used both of the roots to divide the polynomial. Again, I'm using synthetic division twice in a row. So this is going to be 2 less than the original polynomial. So it's going to be x squared, technically plus 0x, but I don't need to include it, minus 6. Okay, so that's part 2. Part 2 is you're going to use synthetic division to reduce your polynomial down to the second power. Okay, so your second part, this is part 2, is you're going to use synthetic division using the given roots. Technically, you can use your calculator to find the possible roots or the actual roots, but on the test, I'm going to go ahead and provide it for you. Okay, I'm going to provide it for you on the test. Okay.